Then the candy cane ones. Then there's caramel. And there was a new one, hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa. And
I even tried that one.
New York.
I've not seen the New
Watch
York.
this, Leo.
Sean, New York cream cheese.
Hopefully I'll have bags up tonight, store big, and then,
How you doing at school? You done with school?
No.
No? How much more you gotta go? My brain
You
age
have to go
is
to school Monday?
64.
Or you done for the
Monday
break?
and Tuesday, and then rest days and off.
Oh.
Me too.
We're off all next week, and then we had a snow day, so we were off even a little longer.
But you still need
Brandon had exams, so their school is nice. They're
Yeah,
giving them a break.
What grade are you in?
Your first Friday back, there's another. The other school district they have to take it that Monday.
Third.
You watching this?
It says after
He's
using
almost
this,
done.
you should check your brain age every once in a while just to see if it's increased.
What do you got now? 12?
If you train.
Wow.
That's cool.
I'll do the
Cool.
I'm gonna run out of this for right now. How do I just go out of it?
Oh, I don't want that.
No Giovanni, see? No, you're not going out?
No, yeah, we are.
Oh. Well, Dan's home with Wisdom.
It's less than 2 minutes.
I was at my friend's house this week because one of them,
Checker.
their birthday was on the 10th and they're celebrating this week, so I go over and try to please them. Besides, my car was handled, so I slide. So.
Yeah, I got 4-wheel
It was
drive.
bad today.
In a couple, I was out earlier
At
today.
least 10 cars we saw.
I was sliding at stops, just simple stops, and I got 4-wheel drive.
On the other side is power.
That's so cool.
Just trying